Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M. Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Installation of a cost accounting system. There are various methods of cost accounting system for a manufacturing company. The selection of a suitable cost accounting system depends upon number of factors like size, nature of business, etc. Hence, the management should take utmost care in the selection and installation of a good cost accounting system. Factors influencing the installation of cost accounting system. The important factors which influence the installation of a cost accounting system are stated as follows. 1. Size of the business. The requirement of cost data is more for a big business when compared to the requirement for the small business. Hence, different type of cost accounting systems needs to be adopted by these two types of companies. 2. Nature of raw materials. Nature of raw materials used in the business also influences the cost accounting system. The degree of wastage of raw materials is not same for all type of raw materials. Hence, the cost accounting system with respect to raw materials also changes. 3. Number of products. The costing system adopted for a single product is different from the costing system adopted for multiple products. 4. Manufacturing process. The costing system adopted for a single process is not suitable for the costing system adopted for a product with many processes of manufacturing. 5. Needs of the management. The cost accounting system selected must be suitable to provide the necessary information required by the management. 6. Efficiency of the staff. The cost accounting system adopted must be suitable according to the efficiency of the staff of the company. 7. Structure of the organization. The structure of the organization also influences the selection of the suitable method of cost accounting system. Essentials of a good cost accounting system. 1. The cost accounting system selected should be accurate. 1. It should not misguide the management. It should provide correct information for managerial decision making. 2. The system adopted should be simple to operate and easy to understand. 3. The cost accounting system adopted should be flexible, so that it should accommodate the changes in the company. 4. The system adopted should be one which would facilitate for easy comparison of the result of one period with other periods. 5. The system adopted should be of economical. The expenses involved in the adoption of the system should be very minimum. 6. The cost accounting system selected is one which should facilitate for the preparation of the reports in time. The timely preparation of accounts would facilitate the management to take necessary managerial decisions at the earliest. Difficulties in the installation of cost accounting system. 1. The existing staff members may object for the introduction of a cost accounting system since they feel that it is an additional work for them. 2. It is difficult for inexperienced and inefficient staff members to handle the cost accounting system. 3. It involves additional expenses to the management. 4. The heads of various departments may not like the introduction of the cost accounting system since they are accountable to their superiors for any variations in the actual cost with standard cost.